Hi, this is Aishwarya, and this is my Power Up Parking Challenge submission. So this is the solution, the Parking Challenge demo, created with a publisher called the Parking Challenge with the prefix of PC. So inside my solution, I have database tables, views, forms, apps has been created. So the database table, I have is like vehicle parking request and parking inspection. So let's go to the vehicle table. So the vehicle table has been created with all the required columns: the vehicle name, make, model, vehicle owner email, and the vehicle image. And the views, you have the active vehicle view created with all the required columns of the vehicle name, make, model, and vehicle owner email. Apart from this, I have forms created. So I have a quick view form and the main form. So inside the quick view form, I have the required columns like vehicle name, make, model, and vehicle owner email form. And inside the main form, I have two tabs, the general and the related one. In general, I have the vehicle name, make, model, vehicle owner email, vehicle image, and I have the two grids created: parking request and parking inspection with all the required columns. So let's move on to the next table, which is the parking request table. So the parking request table has been created with the parking request name column, vehicle lookup column, and the parking request date time column. And I have the views created here, which is the active parking request, which has the parking request name, parking request date time, and the vehicle lookup. Apart from it, I have an active parking request today view, which actually filters and shows only the required columns for today. So this is it. So apart from this, I have forms created. So I have a quick view form and the main form. This is it. And I have the main form with the general tab and the related tab. So inside the general tab, I have the parking request, date time, vehicle, and the vehicle information as well. So so finally we have the parking inspection table. So we'll do that. So this table has been created with the parking inspection name, vehicle inspection date time, and the parking request. So as for the views, I have the active parking inspection view, which has the parking inspection name, vehicle inspection date time, parking request date time, and the active parking inspection today view has been filtered for today's date and time. Apart from it, I have forms being created. So I have the quick view form and the main form. So quick view form has the parking inspection name and vehicle inspection date time, parking request date time details. While the main form has the general tab with all the vehicle inspection date time, request date, parking request, and the vehicle detail as well. So these are the forms. And apart from it, I have two apps being created. One is the model driven app, another one is the Canvas app. And let's go ahead with the model driven app first. So I have built this model-driven app called the Parking Manager, containing all the three tables. Here the admins can review the parking data and create a new parking request. So the active, I like go ahead and do this. So these are the things like vehicle parking request and parking inspection. So the active vehicle has all the vehicle name, make, model, and vehicle owner email. And you can go ahead and create a new vehicle, and the vehicle form appears where like once you give the data and save it, it will be automatically reflected in the error. So I have an active parking request a form, like this one shows the detail, while active parking request today will show filtered one for the today's date. Same goes for the parking inspection. So this shows all the request, the parking inspection name, the vehicle inspection date time, parking request, and parking request date time. And if you want to go through today, like whichever has been done today, you can check here because it's been filtered for today. And apart from it, you can go ahead and create new request here. And same goes for the parking request. You can go ahead and create a new request here. So this is what we have for the model driven app. Apart from it, we have a Canvas app being created. So this is the parking inspector Canvas app. So I basically created four screens here. One is the home screen, and the other is the review screen, and new inspection screen, and the new vehicle screen. So if you So this is a home screen with the two buttons. One navigates to the review screen and the other to the new inspection screen with a new form function to reset the form. So if we go ahead with the review screen, this review screen displays today's inspection using the gallery. It shows the inspection name, vehicle, inspection date time, make model, a parking request, and parking request date time. And if you click on back, it goes back to the home screen. Now we have the new inspection screen. So staffs can log the inspections by selecting a vehicle here, and new they can also the date is being defaulted to today, and time is being defaulted to the current time as well. And with it's done with using the formulas. And we have a new once like if you want to create a new vehicle, then you can go ahead here, and you can give the vehicle name, make model, and vehicle image is optional. So upon the creation, once it has been saved, the app navigates back to the home screen and refreshes the inspection table. I have used modern controls throughout the app to ensure it is up to date with the latest UI standards, and all the navigation button works as expected, allowing a smooth transition between the screens. Apart from this, I have created a solution for the automation solution. So it's in Cloud Automate Flow. This Power Automate Flow will be used to send a confirmation email when a parking request is created. The email includes the vehicle name, request ID with the subject line formatted as required. It has basically two conditions to be checked. One is the capacity is less than 15 for the available spots, and the one is the cutoff time. Like if it has to be within 5 p.m. and beyond that wouldn't be granted permission. So once the conditions are true, the parking request confirmation email will be sent to the requester and with all the information. And if not, like the declined message would be sent to the email would be sent to the the last part of the challenge. I have the Power BI report created. So this one has the home screen and filter screen, and the home page, filter page, and the parking review page. So in the home page, it includes the contains like the navigation buttons, one for the filter and the one for the parking review, which navigates to the respective pages. So once we go to the filter page, we have the filters for vehicle make, model, calendar, and the day of the week with the date. So this one affects the parking review page, as these has been synchronized. And so the parking review page. So this one displays the cards for the total inspection percentage with the valid parking request, and the bar chart for the inspection with the time displayed by the permission status, and matrix showing inspections by the vehicle. So we can also see that once it has been selected, something is selected here or made some adjustments, uh, it would be reflected in the parking page. Um, yeah, so the changes has been made here. We can also check. I'm selecting only on here, and yeah, you can see the total inspections has been drastically reduced as per the filter. Yeah, so this is what is about the Power BI reports that's generated. And as a proposal for the extension or the improvement, I propose adding a license plate recognition integration using the AI builder to automatically capture the vehicle registration numbers during the inspection, enhancing accuracy and reducing manual entry. So yeah, this is it. And thank you for reviewing my parking challenge submission, and I look forward for the feedback. Thank you.